Welcome to our home here at Davey in Melbourne, Australia. For over 88 years, Davey has been a leader in pump and water solutions, found in most of our homes, farms, municipal and industrial sites across Australia and New Zealand, as well as our premium export markets around the world. Our customers depend on Davey's products every day to conserve, transport and treat water, our most precious resource. Our products are used in some of the world's toughest conditions, which is why they are built with dependability and reliability at their core. Today, we're excited to show you our updated manufacturing facility. We are proud to welcome back our firefighter line, which was recommissioned late last year and is now Australian-made once again. With the major upgrades and investments we've made, we've also improved its reliability, efficiency and safety outcomes. As Australia's leading brand, we are committed to keeping our communities safe and protected, especially our customers in rural and regional communities who are most at risk and rely on our products day in, day out. Our Davey pump lines operate continuously over a two-shift operation, keeping up with strong demand both locally and our international markets. The Davey Home Pressure Systems have been a market leader for over 50 years, and it's synonymous with reliability and our true blue, Australian engineered and manufactured ranges. We have invested heavily in our supply chain and distribution networks across Australia, New Zealand and France. We have new distribution centres in Queensland and Lyon. We've almost doubled our network capacity over the last 12 months as we prepare for growth. These have significantly improved our stock availability and service level for our customers during a period of ongoing global uncertainty and supply chain challenges. We have also redesigned our workspaces, enabling our people, customers and suppliers to engage, encouraging creativity, connection and community with our latest technology-enabled meeting rooms that connect our teams across our operating sites and partners across 47 countries we distribute to. Our strategy as a specialist Australian OEM is focused on high-quality manufactured and design-led, reliable, insight-driven product and service innovation. We are committed to investing in our brand and our connected new product ranges to improve our end users' experience and enjoyment. We are very proud to launch our new Lifeguard controller range here in Australia. Again, it's made right here at our Scoresby site. The latest in connected trends and technology, the Lifeguard is a simple, connected, easy to use pool chemistry and remote monitoring system, so your pool is ready to swim when you are. We have more than 30 staff in our R&D engineering and product development teams, as well as key partnerships with leading research universities and global research centres here in Australia, Israel and the USA. Our investment and focus over the next 18 months is on our exciting new product development pipeline as part of our Next Gen program that we recently launched with our Davey think tank. Our innovation is focused on ease of use, energy efficiency, conservation, reuse and whole-of-life ecosystem solution, and we look forward to sharing these insights from our program over the coming months. We value our partnerships with our customers, supply partners and our staff. For over 88 years, we've been working hard to ensure we make an impact in the lives of our customers, and we look forward to innovating and continuing to grow together over the next 88 years. Thank you for visiting us here today. We look forward to welcoming you here in person in the very near future.